How to eat. Strategies for healthy eating. People in many places over time have figured out what food behaviors keep people healthy. Here are some time-honored strategies for healthy eating. First, eat better. Eat real whole food, as our families ate before the coming of industrialized food. Buy the freshest food you can, harvested at the peak of its taste and nutritional quality. Cook food yourself. Takeout food is fast and easy, but often not healthy. It's generally higher in sugar, fat, and salt than home-cooked meals. Home cooking is a sure way to control the quality of your food and to guarantee you're eating healthy food. If you don't have much time, share the work of shopping and preparing. Make enough food so you can eat for several meals. If you don't know how to cook, learn some tips from a relative or friend. Find out how to prepare several simple and delicious meals that will serve you well. Remember, whatever you prepare, it will be better than processed food. Sit down for meal times and share the meal with family and friends. Cooking is one of the most powerful ways to protect our long-term health. Eat mindfully. We're born knowing when we're hungry and when we've had enough. But many of us don't pay attention to our body's signals. We eat much more than our bodies need to be healthy. We eat out of habit or boredom or to comfort ourselves. And we eat beyond fullness. We may eat while watching TV mindlessly and often eat too much. If you are overweight, eat less. Try using a smaller plate, about the size of your outstretched hand. Then balance your meal with a healthy starch on a quarter of the plate and a healthy protein food on a quarter, and vegetables on half the plate. Don't go back for seconds. The first bite tastes the best. Enjoy it. Its sight, smell, texture, and taste. It takes 20 minutes to sense fullness, so eat slowly without distractions. Learn to stop eating when you've had enough and before you are full. Eat less often. Many people eat continually all day, snacking from early morning till bedtime. Eating so often puts weight on and doesn't give your body a chance to burn stored fat or develop an appetite. Try not to snack. Instead, eat if and when you're hungry, 2 or 3 meals a day. Better health is a family affair. It may take some time to change the food choices of a whole household. Some family members may be less inclined to change their eating habits. You may need to educate the cook. If you are the cook, try to prepare delicious, healthy meals so your family comes to prefer the new way of eating. If you have an overweight family member, don't single them out. Instead, change what's being eaten by the whole family. If you make it about her, if you restrict what she is eating, she will feel like she has to lose weight to be loved, and that's not the message you want to send. Instead, make changes for the entire family, and it will be healthier for everyone. Break the rules once in a while. Food has always played a major role in celebrations, birthdays, weddings, and holidays. Special occasion foods can be an occasional indulgence, and when you eat it, really pay attention and enjoy it. Remember, eating consciously, eating less, and cooking healthy, unprocessed foods are powerful ways to protect our long-term health.